Hi, my name is Katusha, your sex coach. How to make her orgasm during penetration. Lots of women complain that they cannot generate an orgasm from penetration. Why is that? Well, there are a few reasons, but we're not going to go to all of them. But first and foremost, number one, it's because they are being penetrated before their bodies are ready. So prevent premature penetration. Just because she's wet doesn't mean that she is ready. It might mean that she's only getting started. So how to tell whether she's ready for penetration or not? Measure her arousal by the swelling of her erectile network. Yes, women have their own set of the erectile tissue that works exactly like penis. Penis is a single unit, and women erectile network composed from 4 different compartments. So more about this, please watch this video right here. So how else to say that she's ready? Watch out for her body behavior, her sound, her movement, and her breathing. Please take your time to do so, because in the end, both of you will benefit from it. So once you enter the world of the vagina, and let's call it vagina is actually the vaginal canal, right? That starts from the vaginal orifice and ends with the uterus. So that's the vaginal canal. It's called vagina. The entire women's flower is called vulva, right? So let's name things the right way. So you're inside of the vagina, and there on the roof of the vagina, you'll find a famous goddess spot. In Tantra, it's called goddess spot or G spot. Now, again, if a woman is not aroused, you won't be able to find it. It's actually not a spot, it's a whole cylinder, right? You will only be able to feel it if, again, the woman is fully aroused. Then we go in deeper, and there we meet His Majesty's cervix. Cervix is the bottom part of the uterus or womb, which is a multi-layered organ shaped like a pear. Cervix has an opening in the middle. It's called os. That's where the sperm gets in to fertilize the egg, and that's where the monthly blood of a woman comes out as well. Cervix travels up and down depending on the monthly cycle of a woman. When she's in her fertile days, it actually goes up, and when she's closer to her period, the cervix goes down. It can be easily felt and located by putting a finger inside. Cervix also moves up when a woman gets aroused. When she gets aroused, cervix moves up, freeing at the back of the vagina this cozy, beautiful sperm bowl, just proving how clever and amazing Mother Nature is. Cervical orgasms feel nothing like clitoral orgasms. Clitoral orgasms, they're localized, easy to achieve, quick explosions of pleasure, right? Cervical orgasms, there's these deep, profound, oceanic waves of incredible pleasure. Why? Because it's connected to a vagus nerve. Clitoris connected to the pudendal nerve, right? It has just one nerve pathway. Cervix has 3 nerve pathways, and one of them is connected to a vagus nerve. So in order for a woman to activate her orgasmic potential of her cervix, she needs to feel fully relaxed, because the vagus nerve is responsible for the safety, just to ensure that everything is safe around. And it's actually on the unconscious level. So if something feels off, right, woman is not going to be able to open up to this experience. That's where intimacy comes into play. Intimacy, see me, hear me, feel me, right? Mental, physical, and emotional connection. When she can trust, when she can relax into your masculinity, when she feels safe, you can open up a goddess within her, and you will. Just please be patient enough. In order for these cervical orgasms to happen, please connect to her emotionally, on the mental level, to her shadow side, and of course to her body. All right, I'm happy to deliver this information to you today. Please subscribe, like it, share it, and I will see you in my next video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below.